Welcome to entrepreneurclass.com. Today we are going to look at a new product called Print Profit. You can visit my website for a few details of Print Profit review. What is Print Profit? It is a comprehensive step-by-step training on how to build a profitable e-commerce business from scratch using print on demand. What is print on demand? It is when you sell your own custom designs on various different types of products. You can print on t-shirts, shirts, books, art, ledgers, and many other items. This could be done by making your own unique design without copying any other person's work. So the Print Profit is going to teach you everything you need to know about print on demand business. The training contains 8 modules and 4 amazing bonus that will guide you to successfully build 7-figure print on demand e-commerce business in 2018. As I said, the training contains 8 modules. The first module, here we have a welcome video. And after welcome video, we have module 1. In module 1, we have the basic, we have needs research, we have brand research, we have secure domain. As you can see from the left, we have creating your logo, acquiring email support, setting up shop, creating a toy free, configuring your store, recommended application, and so on. These are the what I'm going to learn in module 1. Then in module 2, I'm going to talk about design theory, design research, how to hire a designer, how to work with your designer, how to create your own design, and they also talk about corporate and input protection. In module 3, we have what we have in module 3 is here we have talk about supplier and products. That's what we have under module 3. Then we have suppliers and products. Talk about price psychology, talk about Facebook for business. Then you created how to create your own fan page, audience research, a Facebook graph, Google search methods, then your royal fans. Then in module 4, majorly based on Facebook advertising, we are going to learn more about pixel mastery. We are going to learn more about ad types, ad creative, ad manager, interest managed Facebook blueprint, and so on. In module 5, talk about ad performance. They have to scale up your ad, how to get more results from vertical scaling, horizontal scaling, and to talk more on manual bidding. Then module 6, talk about managing your fan page, how to automate your comment moderation, running your business, and also customer service. Then the module 7, talk about how to create a sales funnel that converts. We talk about cart hook setup, talking about funnel setup, talking about Shopify buy button. And in the last module, which is module 8, majorly talk about email marketing. I'm going to learn more about email marketing, targeting with ad, Google brand search campaign, sell your own business, sell your business. Then lastly, talk about general data protection and regulation, which is very important, especially from to EU. Then lastly, talk about the bonus. Here the bonus 1 is under talk about mesh by Amazon. That's how you can sell more on Amazon, or you can make more money by leveraging the power of Amazon. Then module 2 talking about leveraging mastery. Then module 3 talk about funnel stealer, that you can steal their 7-figure funnel. Then last bonus is Google Shopping, how you can advertise your store on Google Shopping to get more targeted traffic. Then also, in addition to that, you have a bi-weekly training where you are going to get access to Fred Lama work and market access to ask any question bothering your mind concerning your business, concerning your e-commerce, and how you can make more sales. So these are the modules we have on Print Profit training. What makes this business great is that you don't need any inventory, no warehouse. You only set up, and when someone order, all you need to do is to send customers details to your suppliers. The supplier will do all the work and send the item to your customer. So you don't need to do any manual work. Everything is automated. So the only two things for you to do is to focus on managing and marketing your online store. This is type of business people have been looking for, and Print Profit will teach you everything you need to know about print on demand business. I do recommend this training. It's very important. It's taught by two e-commerce millionaires, Fred Lam and Michael Ashiel. For more information about Print Profit, check the link below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment below.